Good morning, guys. Man, what a great night's sleep. This sleeping pad is so incredible. I can't believe it. It's like my mattress. At least as good as my mattress. I'm like, my mattress is really good too, but oh my, this is amazing. The only thing that kept me from having an amazing night's sleep last night is just that it was a little bit humid and a little bit warm, but other than that, it was incredible. This sleeping pad, you can't feel the ground at all. You can't. You have some really good padding. The material on this thing is incredible. If you've never even tried one of these pads out, you should go to somewhere like REI or something like that. I don't know if they have this particular pad, and it depends on the store, but you really should check them out because they are incredible. The self-inflating sleeping pads. Yeah, it's pretty incredible how well it works. So I'm gonna get ready to get up and roll this sleeping pad up, see if it fits back in that bag, and see how that works. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I want to do is take these valves, open them up, take this out and flip it so that air only goes out, and lock it back in place. And the other valve, same thing. Just like that. And then I'm going to come back here . And just kind of flip it over onto itself and start letting the air out. There's a lot of air in this pad, so it'll take a little while. If you want to start out, it'll let air out faster if you just do that. I'll do that to start out. And I'll clip that back in here, just like so. Just that. And then just pull this over just a little bit. It's possible this first time it may not get all the air out. Back open, you know. So then at this time, I'm gonna shut this valve so that no air comes back in. going to roll it all the way back out. And this time I'm going to make sure that it folds over all the way. Not pushing out a ton of air, but as you can see, at the very end it pushes out quite a bit. Alright, now to see if it's enough to fit inside the bag. So here's the bag. Voila, it looks like it is. So let me quick, under pressure, flip this valve and shut it. And then start getting this in the bag. I should be a little better here. I can feel it just coming in. So I'm just gonna switch these valves again. Like so. And just roll it up one more time here. It's really hard with these thicker pads to, you know, get all the air out. And all that foam to depress there. Alright, so now let's see what we can do here. I think that's the thicker end, so it's a good sign. Seems to be pulling over. So I'm just going to get the bottom here first and work it towards the top. Just like so. There you have it. Cinch it up. Here it is. The Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe self-inflating sleeping pad, double wide, 54 inch by like 87 inches, I believe. So it's a really nice size pad, really compacts down pretty good. So I'm super excited about this pad. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification for more videos. I have a Comfort Plus sleeping pad to do a review on. I've got some of these other items that I used in this video to do a review on. My sleeping pad, my pillow, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that bell notification to make sure you get those videos when they come out. And thanks for watching, guys.